In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to link Genshin account to HoYoLAB. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use HoYoLAB. HoYoLAB is where you are able to get news about HoYoverse games, you are able to interact with the community, you can make posts, and it's essentially Twitter but for HoYoverse games. So all that you have to do is sign in using your HoYoverse account. You don't actually have to link anything. As long as you have a HoYoverse account, you will be able to use HoYoLAB. So go to the official website or download the mobile app, and the first time that you open up the app or you hover over this icon and you click login, you will be prompted to sign in using a HoYoverse account. As I've said before, there's no secret to this. Once you input the HoYoverse credentials, the HoYoLAB account will be created for you, and you can customize your profile, have a custom icon, start creating posts, add your friends, and so on. You can sign in using username or email and password, or Google, Apple, Facebook, or Twitter. If you don't have a HoYoverse account, then what you have to do is open the game on the platform that you usually play. So in this example here, PlayStation. So let's say you play on PlayStation, you have a lot of progress, but you have never created a HoYoverse account. Just open the game, go into the menu inside, and access these settings. Now, under the account category, you will find the user center. This is where you can link your PlayStation Network account that has Genshin progress to HoYoverse. So you choose the option to link, you input an email address, send a verification code, create a password, read and agree with the terms, and then link the account. This will essentially create a HoYoverse account for you. Once this HoYoverse account has been created with this email address and password, now you can go back into HoYoLAB and sign in using those credentials. It is simple to do, and once you have a HoYoverse account, you have full access to HoYoLAB. You don't need to link your games. When you sign in with the HoYoverse account, all the progress from every single HoYoverse game will be detected, and it is going to appear on your profile. I hope I was able to help you on how to link Genshin account to HoYoLAB. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.